Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to I have been standing out here one evening before. I'm pumping out diesel, all I could get pumped out from the Land Cruiser, because this car I've been standing here for what, 2.5 years. I pumped it out 30 liters with the pump here and get it out, get it through on our way. And I put in a lot of stuff that is supposed to help kill off bacteria and things that come in the diesel to clean up. Hopefully I pumped that through the filter and everything too. Today now I'm just charging up again. This is a Norwegian version, so we have 2 batteries as normal because we need it in the winter. We also have viscose heating system in a colder climate. Of course here we have the turbo problem. Turbo controller it's saying, but I have changed filter, I've changed this sensor, I have tried to hook up a new sensor here, but I haven't been able to start the car again. Don't seems like it's getting diesel. So now I'm just charging for a little while and I go out and buy completely new fresh diesel, and we're trying to see if we can put on that and pump 1 or 2 liters through the system again before I try to start it with a new diesel and fill up the battery completely. So we see. I'm just hoping that I at least can get it to start enough that I can move it into the garage. But I don't get it to give gas. I haven't been able for a long time. But I just need to start doing something. If I can't find out more here, I just have to get it to a repair place, because this is just hopeless. Yeah, I've been out getting completely fresh diesel, put on 10 liters. Now, new diesel, just have to pump it through in the engine bay. Yeah, you see here, I put on a garden hose going out to the tank again, pumping up. Use those things instead. There. Now I have pumped in hard pressure. Yeah. Now it's after a little dragging on the starter engine, it should be getting in at least good diesel. So that should be. Yeah, I'm just in, and now I have new diesel. Just want to see. You see that it's the same, but this is the same problem, but it's after a little while now there should be new diesel. I'm hoping. That would have been very, very nice. But you guys can't sit looking at me like this. I just have to try a little and we come back with more info. Yeah, now we're trying to start it. And I have connected here so I can see if the diesel pump is working. Get it in front. But we'll start with the couldn't see anything here, then I just have to ja, bare prøv. Ja, takk. Trenger ikke mer, Kevin. Tusen takk. Jeg får ikke noe diesel. Okay, then we see. I don't get any diesel out here. My youngest boy was helping me, so yeah, it's good awesome. When I pump, I get diesel. When I'm trying without that, nothing. So, as someone was saying, maybe it could be my diesel pickup pump is not working. Okay, that and the VSC valve, or what they're calling, should have been changed on many cars, they say. This one, nothing is done as it should, so could be that too. So I just have to check things. Let's see. I changed so many things at the same time, so I just have to stop doing that. This one I was bought a new one, but I'm not sure if the old one is ruined, so I just put it back. I can't just change and change and change. So now first I have to get supply on the back. At least I come a little longer. At least I see that I'm not getting push power from the diesel tank. And it's new diesel, I pump through, then I pump it manually, it's coming. But it have to be clogged in the back there, so I have to find out that, find parts and start to do that. But yeah, at least I'm one step further away. So now I know what I have to start checking after this. But thank you, please come back, please start following. I have 9 or 10 videos about the 120 Land Cruiser series, so come in and see something I've done right. Timing belt, a lot of MAF clean sensor, a lot of things. So I'm not so hopeless as I have felt the last year. But when I start to work on the tank, I'm going to make video there. I'm going to, first I have to check parts and order parts. But at least I come one step closer. Thank you, please put a like, please put comments, and please help me out here. Thank you.